Hello, Marshal Muhammad Awais Khan of CSC ANML is here to give a presentation and my topic is normal distribution properties. Now let us see what is a normal distribution. Normal distribution is also called as a bell curve. It is a distribution that occurs naturally in many situations. For examples, the bell curve is seen in tests like SAT. The, bul- the bulk of students will score an average of C grade, while the smaller number of students will score an average of B or D grade, or even a smaller percentage of students will score an F or A grade. This automatically creates the distribution that resembles a bell. The bell curve is symmetrical and the half of the data will be to the left to the mean, and half will fall to the right side. Normal curve, which represents a bell curve. Parameters of normal distribution. The two main parameters of normal distribution are the mean and standard deviation. These parameters determine the shape and probability of distribution. The shape of the distribution changes, the parameter value changes. Mean. A mean is used by researchers as a measure of central tendency. It is used to describe the distribution of variables measured as a ratio or intervals. In a normal distribution graph, the mean defines the location of the peak and most of the data points at the cluster around the mean. Any changes made to the value of the mean above the curve, either to the left or right along the x-axis. The standard deviation measures the dispersion of the data points relative to the mean. It determines how far away from the mean the data points are positioned and represents the distance between the mean and the observations. On a graph, the standard deviation determines the width of the curve and it tightens or expands the width of the distribution along the x-axis. Typically, a small standard deviation relative to the mean produces a steep curve, while the large standard deviation relative to the mean produce a flatter curve. Properties of normal distribution. The four basic properties of normal distribution are the mean, mode, and the median are equal. The curve is symmetric at the center. Exactly half of the values are to the left of the center and exactly half of the values are to the right. The total area under the curve is 1. First property. The middle point of a normal distribution is a point with the maximum frequency, which means that its process which means that it processes the most of the observations of the variable. The midpoint is also the point where these three measures fall. The measures are usually equal in a normal distribution. Symmetric. Second property. The normal distribution comes up with a perfectly symmetrical shape. This means that the distribution curve can be divided in the middle to produce a two equal halves. The symmetric shapes occur when half of the observation fall on each side of the curve. This brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you.